channel friends. In the previous videos we have discussed about direct or indirect speech of assertive, interrogative and exclamatory sentences. In this video we are going to discuss about direct or indirect speech, that is reported speech of imperative sentences. Then we are going to see first of all this sentence. The teacher said, sit down. See here, the teacher said, sit down. Some important steps we have to follow. And which are those important steps? First of all, read the sentence carefully. Reading is necessary. So, read the sentence carefully. Then, find out the reporting verb in the given sentence. Next one, identify the type of the sentence. Then, use proper word instead of commas or double inverted commas. Then change tense, words or pronouns if necessary. So we are going to follow these steps. First step, reading. We have read this sentence. The teacher said, sit down. Second step, reporting verb. In this sentence, the reporting verb is said. And here, the tense of this reporting verb is past tense. So, as here would be present tense or future tense, then there would not be any change in tense in these double inverted comma sentences. But if this reporting verb is in past tense, then we have to change the tense of that double inverted comma sentence. But here, as this is imperative sentence, there is no change in tense. So here, next step we are going to follow, that is the type of the sentence. Here, sit down. As the sentence started with verb and ended with full stop. So it is imperative sentence. Next step, proper word we have to use. Now, we are going to see the reporting speech of this sentence, that is the teacher ordered. See here, we are going to use the reporting verb instead of this said, ordered. Why we have used this ordered? If the imperative sentence is there, then according to meaning of that sentence, according to tone of that sentence, we have to use proper reporting verb for that. So, if in that sentence there is any order, then we have to use ordered. In this way, if there is any request, then we have to use requested. Ordered, then if it is a command, then we have to use commanded. Then if somebody has told something, then we can use told or asked, then warned, advised, threatened, suggested, directed or begged. These reporting verbs you have to use according to tense of that reporting verb and also according to meaning of that sentence. As in this sentence, you will find the teacher said, here teacher orders, and so ordered given over here. If somebody would be here and if you would have requested over here, then we would have said requested. For example, here would be instead of this teacher, here would be the name of any person. That is, Meena said. Meena said, please sit down. Then we would have said that Meena requested to sit down. As please is the word over there which shows the request. So, according to meaning of this imperative sentence, you have to change this reporting verb. And in that way, according to tone of that sentence, you have to use either requested or ordered, commanded, told, asked, warned, advised, threatened, suggested, directed or begged. In this next sentence, the teacher ordered to. See here, proper word instead of comma and double inverted commas, we have to use to. In assertive sentence, we use that. In exclamatory sentence, we use that. In interrogative sentence, WH word, we use that WH word. And if there is S not in question, then we use if or whether. But here, imperative sentence is there, so we have to use to instead of this comma and double inverted commas. Means we have to join these two sentences with this word, that is to. And as to is here, so we have to use the infinitive form of that verb, that is sit. So here, the teacher ordered to sit down. The sentence will remain as it is and then full stop. Next one, mother said, Don't open the door. Here the sentence is negative one, but it is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are of two types: affirmative imperative sentences and negative imperative sentences. So here don't open the door. It is negative imperative sentence. So here the reporting speech of this sentence is mother ordered. Mother ordered. As here no please is there. So mother can order. So mother ordered not to. Instead of this don't, we have to use not to. So here mother ordered not to open the door. Next sentence, the king said, go ahead. The king commands, and so the king commanded to go ahead. In this way we have seen these three sentences of imperative form. Now in this video we are going to discuss about some other sentences which starts with let's or let. See, first sentence, she said, let's go to watch a movie. Let's go to watch a movie. She suggested that. See here, as a sentence started with let's, so we have to use here suggested. She suggested that. That is the word used instead of comma and double inverted commas. Instead of this said, we have used suggested. Comma and double inverted commas, we have used that. Those steps: reading, reporting verb, type of sentence, proper word, change tense, words, pronouns if necessary. Those steps we are going to follow in this sentence also. She suggested that, and then as this let's is used over here, instead of this let's we have to use they should. So they suggested that they should instead of this let's, because this S means us. So here they should go to watch a movie. Next one, she said, let us not disturb him. Let us not disturb him. So here she suggested that they should not. See here, let us, they should, and here not, so not. They should not disturb him. Next one, Meena said to her friend, let me go home. See here, this sentence, those started with let, but here pronoun is me. So for this sentence, you have to follow some rules of imperative sentence. Instead of this reporting verb, you have to use the reporting verbs according to meaning of that sentence. And those reporting verbs as you have used in imperative sentences, that is requested, ordered, commanded, told, asked, warned, advised, threatened, suggested, directed, begged. According to meaning or according to tone of that sentence, you have to use proper reporting verb. Next one, here Meena said to her friend, let me go home. So instead of this said to, I have used requested because she has requested her friend. The tone of the sentence is request, so we have used requested instead of this said. So Meena requested her friend to. As a sentence started with let, you should join it with to, as we have joined these sentences as in imperative sentence with to. Same rule you have to follow regarding this reporting verb as well as this proper word or joining word. Meena requested her friend to let her go home. So here in this part we have seen sentences which started with let's or let. And now one more thing we are going to see over here. When there are two sentences joined together in direct speech, how to convert them into indirect? We have to see one example. They said, we do not need more explanation. We understood everything. See here, they said, we do not need more explanation. We understood everything. Here in this sentence, they said that. As this is assertive sentence, the sentence started with subject, that is noun or pronoun, and ended with full stop. So it is assertive sentence. We have to follow the rules of assertive sentences. And to watch that video, you have to see that assertive sentences part. And so friends, if you want to know more about these reported speech sentences, assertive sentences, interrogative sentences or exclamative sentences, You have to watch those previous videos, so that you have to subscribe this channel. Then you have to share it. You have to press the bell icon, as well as you have to like and comment. Now friends, see this one. They said we do not need more explanation. We understood everything. They said that we are going to follow the rules of assertive sentence. So they said that they, instead of this we have to use this third person they. Did not, instead of this do, we have to use did. Why? Because here reporting verb was in past tense. If here would be say, then we would have taken this do as it is. But here past tense is there. So instead of this do, we have to take did. So they did not need more explanation. And next another sentence is there in this sentence. So for that sentence we have to add some words over there. And what are those words? That is, they also added that. Means they said something more. So they also added that they understood everything. In this way you have to join such two sentences by using this expression, that is, they also added that. And then you have to use the next sentence, or you have to write the next sentence. Thank you so much for watching this video.